When thinking about fruits, our minds typically don't go to savory, but one of the most popular fruits on US menus is actually not sweet at all. It's avocado. Working with fresh avocados can be difficult. There's a limited amount of time where fresh avocado is at that perfect ripeness and texture, and once it's cut, it can start to brown quickly. Dole Chef-Ready Cuts diced avocado offers a solution that's available year-round and eliminates the worry of overripe or underripe avocado, which also helps reduce the amount of food waste in your kitchen. Our recipe demo is a classic. It's guacamole Dole style. So we're going to start with about 2 cups of thawed Dole Chef-Ready Cuts diced avocado. We're going to add chopped garlic and salt and pepper to taste. Then we'll mash that up as our base. You can also use a blender if you prefer a smoother consistency. Then we're going to fold in some red onion and jalapenos, both finely chopped. Next, we add fresh lime juice. And some fresh cilantro. Make sure your guacamole is mixed evenly. And that's it, a super simple house-made guacamole. You can serve this dish as an appetizer with chips or add it to tacos, sandwiches, burritos, avocado toast, and salads. While you'll mainly see avocado in savory applications, it has its place in sweeter applications as well. Avocado is actually a great way to add creamy texture without the use of dairy, because on its own, avocado has a very neutral flavor profile. Avocado is often incorporated into smoothies for this exact reason. It's not an overpowering flavor, but adds a rich and creamy texture when you're looking for a thicker smoothie without the need for dairy. You'll also find avocado in some dessert applications, especially when you're looking to add vegan dessert options to your menu. Make sure when using avocado as a dessert that you pair it with another hero flavor, like lime, coconut, or chocolate. Some great examples of vegan-friendly desserts are a chocolate avocado mousse or a pistachio ice cream using coconut milk. To find more menu inspiration, check out our recipe library at dolefoodservice.com. Don't miss the final video in our Cooking with Frozen Fruit video series featuring Dole Chef-Ready Cuts sliced bananas.